Hello, this is librarian Jennifer Bone, and I'm going to show you how to find articles in the Library Research Database Opposing Viewpoints. To get to the library webpage, go to swic.edu, hover over Student Services, and select Library from the drop-down list. Once you're on the library homepage, scroll underneath the picture until you see the blue search widget. It'll already be on the Articles tab. To search in Opposing Viewpoints, move the dot from the EBSCO database to the Opposing Viewpoints database. This database will look at current social issues and give the pros and cons as well as supporting information for each topic. You can type your search term into the box, or with Opposing Viewpoints, you can leave it blank and just click Go. This will take you to the front page of the Opposing Viewpoints database. Now on the front page, they have the most popular topics running right across the top. And then down below, they have different subject areas that you can click on if you know you're writing a paper that deals with a particular topic. Now for me, I like to look at all of the issues that are, and they list them alphabetically, and you can do that by clicking on the big blue box or by clicking on Browse Issues right here underneath the light bulb. Once you click on Browse Issues, you'll see alphabetically listed are all of these different topics, and all of these have really wonderful portal pages with a lot of information all about the same topic together. Now there might not be one that says early childhood education, but a lot of these will deal with your topic. If I go over here and go down to the C's, I can see there's charter schools, child behavior, child care, and if I click on child care, I can get a page that looks like this. At the very top of the page, I can see there's a little introduction, and I can click on the tab that says Read More. This will take me to a whole overview about child care and the different things and issues that are coming up within that particular topic. And they also include critical thinking questions. At the very bottom of the article, you'll see source citations, and you'll see all the different styles, and you can copy and paste any of these or hit select and copy and paste. Also, you can print, email, and save this article using the tools at the top. You'll also see on the right-hand side there is an Explore column, and that will say there are more like this, and they list a couple, and you can view all related articles. You can look at article content and also related subjects. If I hit my back button, I'll go back to my portal page, and underneath this introduction and overview of this issue, I can see this gray bar, which is the dashboard, and that will tell me all the different types of publications that are coming up on my page and the total number of articles or items that fall into that area. So I have 11 videos, 17 statistics. I can see that there are 10 websites that they're recommending, 10,000 news stories. When you scroll down below on this front page, you can see that there are the little headings right here at the top, and then the total number of items in each. So if you don't want to use the dashboard feature and click directly on these, you can see an example of 3 of the items that are falling in this larger group of 335. If you wanted to look at all of them, all you do is click on the heading, and you'll see the articles appear right here. If you wanted to use any of these in your paper, or if you wanted to read through them, they're all full text. You just have to click on the link of the title, and then here's your article. It comes complete with your citation at the bottom. You can just double click it and save it and take it with you. The print, email, and save features are right here at the top. You'll also see on this page, you'll always get these filter your results right here on the right. So if you wanted to filter down the articles from Lexile measure or publication dates, or you wanted to search within this grouping of 335, you can do that with the search box right here. Another way you can search on this page is you can search within all the results right here. So if I'm looking at child care and I want to look up the word daycare, I can just type daycare in and it's going to give me all the results that I can see for daycare. So just know it works very easily that you can search within there. If I wanted to do early childhood, as I'm typing, it's giving me suggestions here. I might want to do early childhood and literacy and see if there's anything in here. With that, I'm not taken to like a portal page where I get things all packaged together. With that, I'm just taken to a results page and I can see my dashboard right here. And I can click on any of these to read through them. So this is an additional source that you can go to use. You can use your EBSCO, your JSTOR, your Nexus Uni, and your Opposing Viewpoints to get access to millions of articles. If you ever have any questions or need some help, don't hesitate to contact the librarians at SWIC. Remember to contact us on the web page. Right underneath the picture is the Contact Us link.